Well, each day, 7 people die in home fires, and this week the American Red Cross is doing something to help prevent those tragedies and to save lives. Susan Smith with the Red Cross joins us this afternoon with more. Good to see you. Thank you for being here. We appreciate you.
Thank you.
So now, how did the Sound the Alarm event get started?
So we started back in 2014. We go out into the community and support our first responders when there's a house fire. Our volunteers go out and help the client, the family that's having the house fire. And we really thought about, well, if we're going out to the response, how can we assist in the preparation? And Sound the Alarm and the smoke alarm installs was the way to do it with our partners.
Okay, so who qualifies for a free smoke alarm installation?
Anyone in the viewing network or in the country, really, can call the Red Cross. They can also call their local fire departments, and we work together to partner.
Okay, so you provide them as well?
We do. We provide them, yes.
And the fire department installs them?
They help install, yes, they do.
That's amazing. How do you do anything else, or do you do anything else to prevent these house fires?
Yes, we do. Education is a huge part of what we do, because you can install the alarm, but if you don't know about how to escape the home, you have about 2 minutes to get out if a fire starts. So we want you to plan an escape route. So we really talk about education, and home fires are usually started in the kitchen. House fires are kitchen fires are the #1 cause.
So how many of these do you plan to install this year?
Well, across the country, during a 3-week period, we're going to do 100,000.
Oh my goodness.
In a 3-week period, yes. To date, we've installed across the country 1.6 million, so we're making a huge difference. Yes, yes.
All right, do you need help?
We always need help. We're always looking for great volunteers, and we appreciate you getting our story out to do that. All they have to do is go to redcross.org, sign up to volunteer.
And that's it?
That's it. It's simple.
Go help save a life.
Yes, absolutely.
All right, and there's the information on your screen right there, redcross.org/volunteer.
That's right.
Good deal. Thank you so much. We appreciate it.
Thank you very much.